So you're saying you bought it and then
No, I haven't done it yet. I don't want to use real money to do this, so I was just
so
going to.
you're saying if I click the sell button to a put, what is it?
Correct.
That's a cash secured put. That's how you guys will use to accumulate shares instead of buying shares. Then you guys can use the wheel option strategies once you accumulate the shares. Make sure you guys watch my videos though, because I show you the exact deltas to use, how far to go out, what kind of strategy you guys are using. Is it an income builder? Is it just hedging to protect? Like, make sure you guys are watching and asking the questions. It
That's
all
if I buy 100, coach. But if I just buy one on a scalp,
You make money as it goes up. If you buy a cash secured put and the stock price goes up, you will make money on it. Unless you know what you're doing, I don't recommend doing that because you might get assigned those. And if you don't know, then it might freak you out. Because remember, anytime you guys are in options, you can actually be assigned. It doesn't have to go above the break even or the strike price. People can still assign you at any time. You need to know that. You might buy the damn thing and go, how did I wind up with 100 shares of this thing? Somebody assigned it to you, right? They can exercise the contract. So know what you're doing before you do the things.